Hello students, welcome to Geography class of 10th standard. As we are doing chapter 15 transport, which is given on page number 273 of your geography book. So far we have discussed the different modes of transport, in which we have discussed roadways, Indian railways, airways, waterways, pipeline transport, their advantages and their disadvantages. The objectives of the topic are to discuss about the importance of the transport. In this video, we are going to give focus on what is the importance of the transport. Before we start, let's go through the important term. Transport. Transport is a system or means of conveying people or goods from one place to another. Let's start the topic with introduction. Transport is important because it enables communication, trade, and other forms of exchange between people that in turn establishes civilization. Transport plays an important part in economic growth and globalization. Things need to move from one place to another. Transportation has evolved over the course of time. It has become much faster than ever before. Resources can be flown to their destination through airplanes if the distance is large. Ground vehicles can be employed for shorter distances. For travel overseas, ships can be used. Resources can be people or goods which can be moved using different modes. Like a human body needs to transport blood to function, similarly, society also needs transportation to work properly. Students, take out your page number 273. Importance of transport. Let's start with the book reading. Transport system of a country refers to the different means which carry men and material from one place to the other. A well knit and coordinate system of transport is the lifeline of modern India, and it is the foundation stone of our economic infrastructure. It helps in the development of trade, commerce, and industry. Transportation facilitates the movement of goods from producer to consumer and vice versa. Transportation has assumed much importance in developing economic like ours for rapid economic growth. If agriculture and industries are supposed to be the body of the country, transportation may be said to be the nerves and veins of the economy. Hence, means of transport have played a vital role in the development of our country. Students, this already we have discussed in introduction part. Next point is significance of transport system. The following points highlight the significance of transport system in India. Number 1 is economic benefits. Transport system has helped in the growth of industrial and agricultural production in the country. It has been transporting raw material and labor to the places of production and finished products to different parts of country and abroad. It helps in promoting foreign trade of the country. It promotes tourism. It helps in expanding the market both on the domestic and international front. Transport is the backbone of country's economy as they unite people from one corner of the land to the other corner. They help in agricultural and industrial development of the country. Students, let's understand this in a simple language. Transport allows trade to flourish in the country. It allows the country to get in more foreign exchange. It facilitates movement of goods or product from one place to other. It removes the hindrance of place. If there would no transportation, then people would have to go to the manufacturer, the wholesale for getting the goods. It means the cost would have increased and also many products which are not so durable and needs to be consumed soon would get destroyed. So students, to avoid such kind of problems, we need a good transportation. It promotes tourism also. They unite people from one corner of the land to the other corner. They help in agricultural and industrial development of the country. It helps in expanding the market both on the domestic and international front. Due to all these points, transport is the backbone of a country's economy. Come back to the reading again. Social benefits. Transport helps to create employment opportunities. It is mostly due to transport that people are able to commute to their workplace every day. Commute means travel some distance. Developed means of transport help in the expansion of education even in remote areas of the country. It provides mobility to the teachers and students. Means of transport bring together people living in different parts of the country. Means of transport has reduced the distance between cities and villages. Villagers are able to avail employment opportunities in the cities. Students, here first of all, I want to explain what is the difference between modes of transport and means of transport. The different modes of transports are air, water, and land transport, which includes rails or railways, roads, and off-roads transport. The means of transport, on the other hand, refers to the motorized vehicles necessary for transport. Example car, airplanes, ships, truck, etc. Come back to the point social benefits. Transport helps to create employment opportunities. Students, society has always been growing. There is always need for people to work in different fields. For the work to be done, people need to move around. A laborer needs to reach the construction site. A clerk needs to reach his office by time. Similarly, people from other professions also need to reach their workplaces. It is not always people to walk to their workplaces. They can be at walk distances or might be in neighboring cities or even states. So, transportation is required so they can reach work in time. It would take days for people to travel by themselves. Transportation makes it easier for people to move larger distance in shorter span of time. Students also need to reach their academic institutions. Means of transport bring together people living in different parts of the country. Developed means of transport help in the expansion of education even in remote areas of the country. It provides mobility to the teachers and students. At last, I must say transportation is one of the most vital part of society. People need to move in the society to work, study, and go to picnics to take a break from daily routine. People in this era need employment to feed themselves and their families. Transportation helps the employed people reach their work. On the other hand, it also provides jobs for people who manage the information about the transportations. Students, movement is vital for life. As Earth moves around the Sun, as tiny electrons revolve around the nucleus. As these things retain the existence of the world, similarly, movement of humans is necessary for their survival. People cannot sit still. They must move to eat, earn, learn, and discover. Even back in older civilizations, people used to travel on foot or on animals. The modes of transportation might have evolved, but the need is always there. Transportation has been an important part of human lives and always will be. With that, we have completed today's topic. Hope you understand well. Students, you have to revise full chapter and solve the related back exercise. We will meet very soon. Till then, be safe, be happy. Have a nice day.